Today you're on top of my camera for a full engagement shoot, as well as how I edit those photos shown in part 2. Let's get started. Welcome to the first video. Today we're in Japanese Garden, San Jose. It's a Friday, sunny day, and not much people is there. So
okay.
It works very well for an engagement shoot like this.
1, 2, 3.
So here are some pictures of the couple.
This is perfect. A couple more. 1, 2. Yep. Like this, and he's looking at you.
Then we went over to this giant tree, and I found there's a shadow, so I asked him to stand underneath it while I'm using my flash trying to light up their faces.
1, 2, 3.
And then I zoomed in and I went over to this leaves, and I was trying to find some overlays.
And I want you, Kimberly, I want your hand to. Wonderful. Got it.
Then we went over to this beautiful passage. There are a lot of symmetric patterns going on. So I asked him to walk back and walk forward, and then I will take picture in between. You probably can tell there are some tree roots in the middle, and I was trying to avoid that by hitting my camera to crop mode, as well as going a bit forward. As they're approaching me, I asked them to stop and then do some poses. You can see right here. And I think it's pretty interesting where the background is almost infinity.
2, 3. Even more. 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
On the back of this passage, there's a structure that has a very nice view to the garden. And I asked them to hold each other and look at the view.
And then Kimberly, you can point somewhere, and then perfect. Face directly towards me. So yep, like this. And then you can hold hands. Awesome.
And this is just a very nice little hallway where it has a very nice fall of the light, and we did some pictures over there.
This is very good, very natural. I like it. John, can you come front to the Kimberly so I can see your face? Yep. Yep, there we go.
You want to look this way or that way?
Either way. So whatever you think, it's beautiful.
Mainly I just want them to have as much freedom as possible so they can be natural.
I want 2, 3. Awesome. One more. I really like the smile.
So now we're on the stairs, and they decided to take some pictures over there because there's some beautiful blossom in the background. She did a really nice job posing, where she had one of her leg up.
And then can you look at each other? And then Kimberly can do yeah.
And I asked them to do a little kiss, but they were probably shy at first.
And then if you could do a kiss.
But then they did a fantastic job.
And then look back. Awesome.
They did a quick outfit change so we can climb some hills.
And then look back. And can you come down one stair or two? So I can see John's face. Awesome. And look back. Perfect. So I want you to kiss, and then I'll get partial of your face covered, which is very, very interesting.
Actually, this picture didn't work out as I expected because there are some harsh lights falling off on his head.
Perfect. And look at each other. And then nose to nose. Nose to nose, a bit closer, yes. And then can I have your forehead touch each other? And then one nose is touching as well. Perfect. Let me change some position. Awesome. One more. Perfect. Yep, bent knee is perfect. One more. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. 1, 2. And then can you look at me? Awesome.
Here I used flash and I put the power to full power so I can bright their face and body, and you can tell the background is very blown out.
Awesome.
Turns out that I didn't like much of the pictures I took, but this one where they're holding a sign,
Yep, this is very bright, huh?
I happened to edit one of them out.
Let's try one more time. 1, 2. Awesome. One more. 1, 2.
By the way, I used the Godox V1 as my main flash.
So then he'd have to go way back.
It's okay. I can stay here.
So I'm
So right here at the trees, you can see the trees has a lot of signature on it, and the couple decided to take some pictures as well. And there are a couple of pictures
Forward.
I took before I take this video.
Downward. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. John, can you stand sideways so I can see your hand? Yep. 2 hands, please. So.
Right here, they're trying to take a distance picture where he's holding her hands further back while she's a lot closer to me.
Perfect. Smile. 1, 2.
picture maybe leg. You want to do back to back like that?
Back to back.
I don't know. And then I was gonna say you do your leg and I don't know.
Yep, that will work. Yep, back to back. 1, 2. And if you can all look towards each other. Perfect. And then look at the view outside.
And at the stairway, there is a beautiful flower in the background. And I think the sun is perfect, shining them up.
1, 2, 3.
So we did some pictures over there.
More. 2, 3.
And then we stood on the stones next to the waterfall and we took some pictures over there.
2, 3. And then you have your eyes closed. And then a bit more smile, please. Awesome. I really like this shot.
Can we get a detailed one with
So right here, they wanted to do a detail shots of the rain, and I think it's a perfect place to do it because I might be able to catch the background as well.
Oh, let me.
Yeah, probably bend it.
Yeah. Like this. How does that look?
This looks okay. Yep, this looks much better. 2, 3.
And right here we do some casual poses. They seem to be very relaxed, so it's a good sign.
Alright, let me see. Yep, can do this one. Yep, perfect. One more, hold on. Yep, change of pose.
These shots are really hard to get because they're standing in the shadow while the background is very bright and blown out. So I spent a lot of time trying to edit this picture, and you can see on the
Great.
part 2.
One more.
For the last couple of pictures, I didn't hit the record button on my GoPro, so you just have to see the result. And you can see the editing process on part 2 if you're interested, and stay tuned for the next video.